Mmakwara, Afana. Good afternoon. Ade. Where this news? Which news now? About Junior now. Nah, the debt pay me. What pay you? Well. That will pay me na person pay am. Who pay am now? Papa pay am now. Well, leave that thing. I go say na papa pay Junior. To say he say na papa finish shepherd go full one warehouse. I go believe you now. They drag with me. But this one a dragging matter. I go say my papa Junior now. Who can they bring that kind play now? My papa pay am now. If I say come go, I go say my papa they pursue you. I dey pursue you. To tomorrow friendship continue. I go say my papa still be say my papa still pay am. Nothing like get out from here. I go say my papa they go get out. They go. Tomorrow friendship continue. I go say my papa pay Junior. What sort of rubbish? Say my papa pay Junior. I hate all this kind of play. Many boys no come here. Tell me say my papa pay Junior. This one tell I go say my papa do. But this one I say my papa pay.
Mmakwara Afana.
Ade. Someone.
My brother no come here. No buy me join.
What in your mom no buy you join? What mean that talk?
I say your papa don dey buy people now.
You got what you go talk say my papa do. I go believe you. But this one when they talking na talk. In fact, I don't provoke. You give me stand up, they go.
You know why they go? Me your friend, why they go?
See, tomorrow friendship go start.
They go.
I go spell block. They come here. What you want to say? My papa five person. What worry this people kwanu na? You get some kilo go say my papa do. I go believe you. But someone now go talk say my papa na on the five person. What sort of rubbish kwanu na? Papa,
what is it?
Papa, leave this case. This one is a small case. I can handle it.
I'm hearing your voice rolling like a thunder.
Papa, leave the case. Mmakwara will handle this case. And your son. Yes.
Okay. Now,
okay.
Let me go back to inside.
Yes. Enjoy your sleep. Okay. Yes, Papa. But wait too. Someone then talk to my papa on the by person. I be saying that true, but shall I leave that talk? Now small children talk. My papa want know one person no fit buy person. Oh, what in all this rubbish? Say my papa don't dey buy person. I know what I go do. If na my papa buy Junior, I go know. Not my papa buy Junior. I just know.
Huh?
Why do you buy me?
Who buy you?
Uncle,
Who is that?
Junior.
Which Junior is that?
Junior, the one you buy.
I cannot buy anybody. I don't know what you are talking about.
Uncle, you are the one who buy me.
I don't know anything that buys you. Go and look for who buy you. If it is me, one person, my hands are clean. Please go and tell your spirit to tell you the truth because I don't know what you are talking about here.
Photo.
Wait.
The white person now.
Mmakwara,
Papa.
you are the one.
Yes, now, Papa. We say forbid them.
I don't understand.
You must understand, though. You see that they were the para now. We say Mmakwara. Why you para? And because of Mazi Okoro's son and this thing, Mazi Okoro's son bright and Emeka. Why you come they say your papa buy Junior?
Okay.
Then I say, why don't you do that kind of thing? I say your papa buy Junior. Then I say make a come confirm with my own eyes.
Now you are convinced that your papa's hand is clean.
Yes.
I'm not the person responsible for who. They should go and look for who buy the Junior. It's not me.
Yes.
But is that why where did you get this white? Because I don't have it.
This white.
You went and borrow white to find who buy the Junior.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't understand though.